In this video, we will learn how to convert data in table quickly in Google Sheet. First, select your data full. So I just select the one cell and press the shortcut key Ctrl A to select the full data. And right click of the mouse and click on the convert to table, and that's it. Here the data is converted in table. Now you can just click on this drop down arrow and you can rename your table easily. I just enter here the ABC. Okay, just click on again drop down arrow. You can customize the table color also. I select this one and you can see the color also change. Just click on this arrow. You can sort the column here, the A to Z, Z to A, and if you want to apply the filter on this column, just click on it and filter the column. So I select here clear all and select the one ID, and here you can see the filter is applied. Okay, just click again drop down arrow and group by the column. You can see the group by the column. So this column is grouped. Again I show you here as per the category, the group by the column. So category wise here the group created, the accessories, the electronics and furniture. Okay, this is a way you can create group also. Okay, if you want to insert one table column left, you can insert it. If you want to insert one table column right, you can insert here. Okay, and here you can see the plus sign, insert column right. Okay, so I use here Ctrl Z to go back, and if you want to delete the table column, this column if you want to delete, just click on the delete. Okay, so you can delete here easily. Okay, so this is a way you can use the table here. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.